Okay, back to the transmitter project here. So these are doorknob capacitors to add additional capacitance on the output capacitor of the Pi network. And found this nice little bracket here. And then I have my progressively shorting switch. And I'm going to connect those up so it progressively shorts, then adds more and more capacitance. So it looks like the maximum is about 1600 picofarads, which probably will work. So connecting all the wires up there. And then looking from the top down. And there is the new additional capacitance switch added, and your two capacitors and inductors for your Pi network output.